10 natural ways to relieve pain during labor. You may have heard some scary labor stories and are possibly very worried about how you would be tackling your delivery. Well, if that is the case, you need not worry. But it is true that some labor stories are indeed difficult. Yours need not to be so difficult or painful. With little help, you can do away with the pharmaceutical solutions as well as to ease your pain. First, relax. Do not get into the panic mode as your labor starts. Keep in mind the breathing techniques you knew and focus on your contraction. Second, a hot water bottle or a cold bag may help. You can alleviate your labor pains, aching limbs, and backache with the hot water bottles or a cold bag. You can take off an edge of your cramps with this natural solution. Third, massaging. Firm and slow body massages help when you are in labor. You can ask your partner or your midwife to give you a firm back massage. Fourth, choose comfortable positions. You can move around to find the position in which you are comfortable. It may be like impersonating like cooking position of a dog, prostrating yourself, or sitting down. Don't worry about how you look. Fifth, talk about your fears. Talk to a trusted friend or a knowledgeable person about your fears. When you voice your concern to someone you can trust, you can get practical solutions to your problems. 6. Know more about labor. Look into books, magazines, videos, websites, check with your doula, and get in touch with your doctor. Once you are familiar with the different procedures and custom of childbirth at birth centers, hospitals, and at home, you can make an informed decision. It is always better to have discussion before labor. 7th, practice breathing techniques. Try to take deep breaths in contractions. Moaning and exhaling also help. You can ask your parents to help you if you lost the rhythm by holding hands or with eye contacts. 8th, water therapy. Try a jacuzzi and let the warm water offer you some comfort. Hydrotherapy helps you relax and reduces pain. Make sure to keep the jet directed away from your vagina, as you would not want to force water inside. 9th, acupuncture. An acupuncturist can offer effective and natural pain relief in labor. See if the hospital arranges for an acupuncturist or you can find one for yourself. 10th, aromatherapy can help. A calming atmosphere will help you feel good whether you are at home or in the hospital setup. You can add few drops of essential oil in the water and enjoy a warm bath. It soothes your body and helps to relax your body.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.